Hello, it's Frederik, and I will talk about the plot, characters, conflict, and message. The plot is quite flat because Winston not develops in the whole story. Winston fight against the regime, which is the conflict. The main character is Winston, and he's very brave because he starts a rebellion against the regime. This results in Winston getting captured and tortured, which can be the conflict in the story. The message could probably be how the world will see if the whole world has dictatorial government and all the negative consequences with dictatorship.
Hello, it's Andreas Muusmann, and I have the question: who is George Orwell, and what is his intention with 1984? George Orwell's real name is Eric Arthur Blair. He was in late several times while he was writing 1984 because it was mentally tough for him to write, and that is maybe why the story is very strange sometimes. His intention with 1984 is to show us how it is to be under control and be monitored in everything you do, and the feeling that you don't have any freedom and you can't do what you want to. It is also what George Orwell thinks that the world will look in 1984 and how they will be under control. For example, is Oceania based on Soviet Union and how they was in war.
Hello, it's Niklas K talking. I have question 3. What have you learned about the genre and how is it represented in the novel? The genre is science fiction, and science fiction texts is often set in the future, in the space or in different world or universe. In 1984 it takes place in the future in a land called Oceania. The technology is often on a very high level, and in 1984 the technology is shown when the regime is supervision the people. There are no machines, no robot, and it's not out of space and stuff like that. So to sum up, it has some of the elements that we normally see in science fiction. However, the film and novel still misses elements that can be characteristic for a science fiction
Hi,
film.
this is William, and I have the question: what can you say about 2001 and the genre after reading the summary? And 2001 shows us the development of technology. You would think that the development was positive, but 2001 shows us the negative side of the development of technology, as the computer, the antagonist Hall, kills the colleague of the protagonist David Bowman. Furthermore, the setting is on the moon on a spaceship, which is quite normal for science fiction. There's also a giant monolith which helped the man-apes to evolve. This is one of the unexplainable things that is a part of the science fiction genre.